smoking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless and we owned it. I can see it in your eyes, 'cause they never tell.
Hey guys, it's me again, Charlene, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will share with you something very useful, especially to those who just started their YouTube channel and for those who are looking for alternative editing apps. Obviously, you can see the title down below, and it's all about how I edit my YouTube videos using an Android phone. Many of you and many of my friends have requested from me to do a tutorial on how to edit my YouTube videos. So this is it. I will show you guys the basic editing techniques for beginners and what are the apps I use to edit my videos. Actually, I have three editing apps on my phone. I have the InShot, iMovie, and Kinemaster. And I am using them depends on what kind of video that I want to edit. If it's a short video with a less effects and animation, or longer videos. And sometimes I also use a green screen. All of them are good, but the app that I am using most of the time is the Kinemaster because it has a lot of options. For beginners, this is one of the best editing apps where you can enhance your video like a pro, and it's very easy to use. So without further ado, let's start. Let's go to the screen recording and I will show you how to do it. Now we are on the screen of Kinemaster. Let's start. First, you have to choose a new project. Select the size of the screen. And then go to media to insert your intro. For example, this one. Click OK. You can actually trim this one if you want to make it short. You just need to check where you want to cut it and then go to trim. Trim to the left. Just check. Okay, that's perfect. Now, if you want to add your channel name, this is how you do it. Go to graphics, choose any design, insert your name, your channel name. Okay, and then the second text, let's put vlogs. Okay, you can also adjust this one where you want to come out the text. Just drag to the left, drag to the right. Stop. Okay, now let's check. That's it. Now let's go to the main video that you want to edit. Just go back to media, select from the gallery. For example, this one, I will use my trailer. Okay, if you want to trim this one, same procedure. Just select the area where you want to cut it out. Okay, like that, and then go to trim again. Select trim to the right. Okay, that's it. And now if you want to add text on this area, just go to layer, select text. Okay, and here you can write down the text that you want. For example, I will write down, your passion is your purpose. Okay, just click OK. And you can actually resize this one. You can drag it and put where you want, just drag down or up. And then you can change the font just like this. And then change color. You can choose a color, what kind of color you want. Let's try red. It's not clear, so we'll change it to white. Okay, and then you can also use the other options here. You can use the glow and outline. Just change the color. Okay, you can use the gray color to emphasize your text. And there's more options here that you can use. Okay, that's it. And now you can apply the animation. Okay, but you have to make sure that your text is in the right place where you want it. Okay. And then in animation, most of the time I am using the converge. Okay, converge. And then adjust it like that. Okay. And then the out animation, I use a fade, then adjust. Okay, let's check. There you go. And now if you want to use a green screen, just go to media again, select a background, click insert, and you can expand it. Okay, and go to layer again, insert the video that you want to change the background, select full screen, and then go to chroma key, enable. Here you can adjust the background. Okay, just get the exact outcome. Okay, you can adjust it how you want until you will get the perfect. Okay, let's check. Still there is a shadow, so go back to chroma key. Here there is a curve where you can adjust to remove the shadow behind. Okay. Okay, now let's double check again.
Hey guys, it's me again.
Okay, that's fine. And go back to adjust the background. Okay, until where your video ends. And the last part, if you want to add a background music, just go to audio, select the background music that you want, but make sure that there is no copyright if you download it. Click insert. Okay, and then let's check. Okay, so if you want to adjust the volume, you can do that. Just go to volume and reduce the volume so that your voice will be heard. Okay, click OK. Now, okay, so just cut out the excess. Okay, that's fine. Now, let's hear it again.
Hey guys, it's me again, Charlene, and welcome back to my channel.
Okay, perfect. And it's done. But before you export the video, make sure to double check first if everything is good. And just a reminder guys, if you want to add a background music, make sure that the background music that you download has no copyright, because most of the time that is one of the reasons why you will get a copyright claim. So you have to be careful. Now, after checking if you are happy with the outcome, you can export the video. So that's it guys, it's very simple and easy. You just need to familiarize every section on the app and you are good. I hope you get something out from this video, and if you have any questions, you may comment down below. And if you want to see more of my tips, ideas, lifestyle videos, tutorials, just simply subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified on my next uploads. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and share. See you again next time.